So what experience have I got to be able to help you and show you how to print and produce your own magazine? Well, I've been working in advertising and publishing and the media actually for over 20 years. Advertising is throughout my blood. I absolutely love it. I love dealing with small businesses, national clients, and basically helping business succeed through advertising. I worked for 5 years in radio, which was my first job in the media, if you like, so I understood how to sell advertising and how it really did make a difference to small businesses if we put a good ad campaign together for them. I then had my own design and advertising agency, and we looked after clients with small budgets from, say, I don't know, £4,000 a year up to literally £500,000 accounts. And then for the last 4 to 5 years I've actually been publishing my own magazines. It started off with my own local community magazine called Dorridge Life, which I absolutely loved, and literally within my first issue I made a small profit. I'm not saying everyone will do that, but I did because of my experience, and it grew from there on in. That business then was taken over by someone else, but it's still working well, and I've interviewed her on the website, the Nolan Dorridge Directory, and it's still going strong. I then moved into producing a magazine for mums, working mums and mumpreneurs. No one had produced a magazine to this niche market, so I called it Mums in Control, and I franchised the concept all across the country and provided national content, and it had local advertising. So the expertise that I've built up is everything I've put together for you as a business in a box. And recently I've also been the editor of M Magazine, and we reach 500,000 mums, working mums and mumpreneurs. So I'm really qualified, I think, to be able to share with you how to actually put together your own magazine. Have a look through the website, and if you've got any questions, please do email them to me, or have a look at the frequently asked questions page as well.